You searched how to buy shares of D-Market Elektronik Hizmetler ve Ticaret as. This video shows a practical walkthrough. The company operates in the electronic commerce and related services sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HEPS. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy any stock, you'll need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and to add funds before placing trades. Use the broker's search bar to find the company by name or directly enter the ticker HEPS. Locate the listing that shows HEPS on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct security. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Check the exchange tag NASDAQ and the ticker HEPS before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can schedule the order or it will execute when trading opens. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this walkthrough.